Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Halloween. It is Halloween and I have an unboxing video for you guys. I just got off of work and I'm so tired. I'm ready to edit this video and go to bed, but I don't want to speed through this whole video because I feel like I already do that, and just, you know, with like all my videos, I feel like I just kind of go through everything too quickly, and I don't really like just sit and, you know, talk about stuff. But I guess I can give you guys a little update. I haven't been making as many videos as I would like to, because I've been focused more on getting back into modeling. I've already done a shoot this past week and I'm super excited to see the photos, and it's for this company, and I have another photo shoot planned at the end of the week for another company. So it's really been exciting and I'm just so happy this is happening. It's really good for me in my like modeling career. It's just amazing, especially since I'm an independent model, you know, and I started from like nothing, like from me going out, you know, into the modeling world. It's just been a really amazing experience, I guess I can say. I never thought in a million years that this would be happening, and I don't know, like it's just amazing that these people are reaching out to me, and I love working with them as well. So I've been really, you know, just focused on like my modeling, and yeah, so that is why I haven't really been, you know, on here as much, you know, making videos and stuff, and I apologize for that. I really do have a lot of videos planned, and like, you know, I want to film them, but I just don't have the time right now at this second. And I just realized I actually have 2 videos I have to make right now, and this is one of them. So anyways, let's just get right into this video so I can stop blabbering. So I got this package in the mail the other day, and as you can see, it is from Teddy Blake. Here's that. Teddy Blake, New York, and I'm gonna insert a little, like, I'm not sure where I'm gonna insert it on the screen, but I'm gonna insert it somewhere, and it's gonna be his logo, so you guys can, you know, check out his website easily. Okay, so you can get this bag at teddyblake.com, and I'll have a link down below so you guys can go click on it easily, so you guys can go check out the site. Okay, so I'm gonna open this bag up. So yeah, they let me choose like whatever bag I wanted, and so it was like so awesome. They had such a good selection on their website. I love all of their bags so much. Just amazing quality bags too. And they have a lot of markdown prices. So I was so happy that they let me choose whatever bag I wanted, and they just sent it to me. It's amazing. I love free stuff. So thank you so much, Teddy Blake, for sending me this. It means so much to me. It's just, I can't believe it. Like, oh my god. Like, I feel like this is like a gift from Teddy Blake himself. Like, it's just that special. Like, especially how it's wrapped. It's wrapped like, you know, a gift. Like, this would also be like the perfect gift to get somebody. I'm gonna like tear it open. Oh my gosh. Okay, it looks even better in person than I thought it was gonna look. Like, oh my gosh, I thought it was gonna be this little bag, but no, look at this, you guys. I love how dainty this is. It's like, oh my gosh. It's just so subtle, you know? I love that about it. Yeah, this is the bag. It's just so pretty. I love it so much. I love the color, and yeah, it's just so gorgeous. Like, look at this. It has this little clip, so you can just like leave it closed easily. And you can also take it off, of course. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this bag is super cute. Okay, so they give you this ginormous like bag to put it in, I guess. So it's like safer. It like, you know, you can put the bag inside this bag. To keep it from getting like damaged when you want to travel with it and stuff. So it's like, you know, contained. It has the Teddy Blake logo on the side. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. I love it so much. And this also, I love this. You can take it off if you don't like it, but I love this like little like charm it has. I love the charms. And you can also attach like other charms to it too. But I love it just how it is. Oh my gosh, it has an extra strap. And this is the inside of the bag. Like, it actually looks so much nicer than I thought it was gonna look. It's like suede on the inside. And it has, let me see if I can zoom in. It says Teddy Blake right there. And it has this middle pocket like that. Thank you so much, Teddy Blake. This is amazing. I cannot like even put into words how gorgeous this bag is. I love the color, and I'm just so happy with it. Like, I can't wait to wear it out, you know, have it with me. And it's just like, I love these bags. Like, these are just the perfect, you can, you know, size. You can fit so much into it, and I don't know, I love it so much. So I'll have a link down below to his website where you can go check out all of his bags. And he has so many different types of you know, bags, just different, like different types of bags, different styles, everything. This is just my personal you know, bag of choice. But this is amazing. I can't believe it. You can tell like the quality is just so nice. Like, I've never seen a bag that was like made this nice, honestly, like out of any bag that I've ever owned. I don't even think I've ever had a bag this expensive either. And so thank you so much. Like, this is just amazing. Thank you so much. I can't even. So I'll be having a photo shoot this Friday with this bag. I'm gonna come up with a few different looks, and hopefully I will get those photos uploaded to my Instagram soon. So you guys can go check out my Instagram, which is __JasmineKim. And yeah, those will be up soon. I'll show you guys how I style those with this bag. I'm really excited about the photo shoot too. I found this photographer on Instagram, and he booked an Airbnb, and it's at some lady's like vintage apartment in downtown Portland. So I've never had an Airbnb experience, so I'm pretty excited to check that out, you know, and do the whole shoot there. Hopefully it all goes well, and I'm going to plan some outfits right now actually and figure out what goes well with this, but I'm thinking like any pastel color will do. This is such a retro kind of bag, I think, too, retro style, so you could really put this with like any vintage kind of outfit, I think, and it would just look amazing. It would just, you know, stand out. Just out of all the bags, like, I just thought this was so pretty, and I'm so happy with it. Thank you, Teddy Blake, again. And go check out his website, www.teddyblake.com, and I'll have a link down below where you can easily go click on it and check out his bags. Seriously, get yourself a nice bag, and that's all I gotta say.